Welcome back to Camus Classics. Today we're going to bring you the Rotary Easter Car Show in Hurricane, Utah. Again, I love this show. There's a lot of unique stuff here, so we'll get through and go with it. Last night we had an opportunity to go watch the Beach Boys. So here we got a 32 Roadster. It's not the Deuce Coupe, but great show. If you get the chance to go see them, go see them. Well worth the money, well worth the time. I believe Mike Love was the only original band member there, but it was a very good show. But here we got a 32 Ford Roadster, so let's go ahead and show it to you.
Mostly had their they had big rocks that they gave away. So did he. We gotta stay out. 68 cars.
Beautiful car. Love that yellow. Again, yellow is one of those colors. It's either right or wrong. This one is right. Here we have a fun little go-kart. Surprisingly enough, 3 horsepower. It probably still has as much horsepower as the original cars had. Here we have a 29 Ford delivery panel wagon. Again, love pinstriping, love the little bit of silver on here. Pretty nice car. Don't do a lot of the common vehicles, but this is a 68 Chevy, but I love how smooth this black paint is on it. Really well done on that truck. Here we have a 37 Buick. All outfit is the 8. Most likely straight 8. We'll look when we get to the other side. Modern V8 350, but this one would probably have the original straight 8. Very nice car. Here we have a 39 Plymouth. Just a really nice car. Here we have one of the original station wagons. 29 Pierce Arrow 7-seater.
If you look at the front end of this, back in the day, how do you think they would have molded that, make that like that?
Oh, that is crazy. A lot of hand labor. I believe these Pierce Arrows were all hand built. Etched it into the window. Beans.
Oh no!
guess they believe people are smaller because this is a 7-seater, so they plan 3 there, 4 in the back. So this one does still have the straight 8 in it. Really neat car. Here we have a 29 Pierce Arrow. This one is the 2-door coupe.
And you put it on the QR code, and then you push the button, and it brings you to the car site, and you can book it. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay.
Wow, this is. Look at this. Live like somebody left the game.
Very nice car. Here we have a 58 Cadillac Eldorado.
All the way. He's got one graduating high school, getting ready to go to college, and she's pregnant. So you got a long road, bro. Long.
But it's a stick there, so they won't slide off. Back then, you could legally drink and drive. I don't know. I was only 5 years old. So from what I understood, I remember dad drinking and driving.
You're like, we're gonna have one more. Here's 3.
Yeah, we just went last for it.
This is brushed. Stainless. Really nice fancy car. Here we have a 65 Olds 442, I would say completely custom. Modern LS engine.
You wish you had this. Out of all the ones.
How about that customized job?
I say that's nothing like yours. No, it isn't. So if you compare that to Dad's, not even close. Here's a 1940 Ford pickup.
What do you think about these bumpers?
That's the way they were.
People and I talked about them a little bit. It seems like it's
Pretty nice truck. Here's a 64 International Scout.
Yeah, check it out. It'd be cool. We'd love to have everybody. Yeah, they're slow about getting our flyers done. We figure we better start while there's cars out.
So it's an International Scout with a lot of other Chevy and Ford parts. Here we have a 1970 Datsun pickup. All 4 cylinders of power. Neat little truck. Here we have a 1962 Willys station wagon. The Overland wagon. So these are in, it's a PTO driven winch. Driven off the engine. Looks like we got inline 6. Beautiful, the black and white combination on this is just gorgeous. And these are just utility vehicles, but very nice. So here we have a BMW. Not your traditional BMW though, it's the BMW Isetta. It's a 1960.
Because they were like selfie cars. What they went there.
Climb in. The door is in the front. You climb in. Steering wheel pivots to you. So, you know, not your normal BMW. Here we have a 72 Warley limo.
think it is. V10 maybe. No, it's a V8.
Oh, this is it.
This could be really soft. Yeah, right here.
As I said, I love to come to this Hurricane Easter Car Show because they always have something weird and eclectic, and this was the one for today. And we love our first responders, our veterans, and our active duty military, and all those who serve in our communities, cops, all those. So right here we have a 1945 Ford fire engine. Just a neat old fire truck. Here we have a 49 Packard sedan.
I'm getting ready to because my balance is horrible and
Yeah, so
I get
this
to
one's
spin sometimes. If I roll over to get
Oh,
up.
nice. Yeah.
It's so weird.
I was just looking at that shifter, how short the facility is.
Pretty nice car.
It should right.
Here we have a 64 Lincoln Continental suicide door.
I have a.
Give a shout out to many of our sponsors here. Let's go down the list. We have Sotheby's International Realty, in Dallas, Western Pest Control, City of Hurricane, Newcrest Monument Company, Eateries Corner Team, Children Products, Jersey Cars, Source, Intermountain Health,
Really nice car. Here we have a 57 Dodge Coronet.
Look at this old Camino.
No, not my car.
Grandma Rich's. Oh, look at that. The horse is on the floor, dude.
Just a really neat car. Here we have a 59 Cadillac Eldorado.
This right here, and then we cross over.
So one of the neat things about these is they have a rear grille just like the front grille, so you really don't know which direction you're coming from. Here we have a 1930 Ford, but what I really like is the Hemi engine.
There's some tension there every once in a while.
Shop videos. So I've got to work on the car, which I need to beat. They got to put a sign on it. Craziest thing.
We're going to finish up here with Rudy's Rat Rod, Rudy's Adventure and Design. Check them out on Facebook.
That's how it does it.
Just really neat rat rod. Hey, we're finishing up here. We had the Easter Car Show. What do you think?
It amazes me how many of these go to. We still see things that are super unique, like you'll have to tell me again what it was, Cart Cooper.
I don't remember. The limo.
The limo. So that was really neat. And then there was the, oh gosh, Arrow?
Yeah, there's a couple Pierce Arrows. They were by far my favorite car. We have those for you. What did you think?
I thought it was quite a nice show. It's quite a bit smaller than it has been because they put pickleball courts in part of the ground that they used to park on. But still some real nice cars. I'm with Cooper. I really like the Pace Arrows over there. They was beautiful cars. Be nice to have one of those, but I don't ever see that happening. So yeah, it's a nice car show. If you get an opportunity to come down and see it, you really should ought to, because it's well worth your time.
Okay, so sign off. You see, Dad is with us. His ankle surgery went very well. He's doing very well, so we'll be getting back to building cars here shortly. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.